Hi everyone, this is SAT practice test 1, question 11. So let's see. We have a graph here. As you see, x-axis is 10 and y-axis is 10. And we have a graph here. As you see, like dots here, and it creates linear equations. It's a linear model. Question is, which of the following equations is the most appropriate linear model for this data shown in the scatter plot. Whenever I check the answer choices, please make sure to check the answer choices before you check the question in detail. As you see, all of them is start y. So since it is a linear model, it is y is equal to mx plus b model questions. So as you see y here, this is the slope m, as you see, and this is my y-intercept 10.1. All right, let's get started to solve this question. Let's get a pen. So, and then let's check. So this is y is equal to mx plus b type of equation, linear equation. As you know, this is the slope m. As you know, b is y-intercept. Okay, the slope. Let's talk about the slope. M is a slope here. So what it means, like what we know, like let's remember from our classes. So slope might be positive if it left to right, if it is going up. The slope might be negative if it is going down, left to right. So whenever I look at my equation, so if I connect these dots, as you see, it is going down, right? As you see, like the dots, it is a tend to be going down left to right. So left to right. If it is going down, it looks like this kind of slope. As you see, the slope must be negative. So it means m must be negative. So whenever I go to my answer choices, this is 1.9 and negative 1.9, which is my slope. Which one is negative? A negative, B negative, C is positive. You can eliminate impossible answers. Here the M, which is the slope, is positive, which is impossible answer. So I simply eliminated two answer choices. So I have answer choice A, answer choice B. The slope are negative, same. Whenever I look at the y-intercept, which is B, 10.1, 10.1, it means I don't need to find 10.1 because it's already here. But the question is it going to be negative? Is it going to be a negative? Or it's going to be positive? So this is the question. So I am supposed to figure this out. All right. So to figure this out, so I will simply use the substitution method. So I'm going to go back to red. And that time I'm going to use the more thicker one. So this is for answer choice A. So y is equal to negative 1.9x minus 10.1. So, and also I will check on the right side answer choice B, as you see here, which is y is equal to negative 1.9x plus that time 10.1. So how to check this out? So simply you are supposed to pick one of the dots, because every dot, as you know, as you see, is that has a kind of a x variable and y variable. X-axis and y-axis, they are gonna find the coordinates. X coordinates and y coordinate. It's the same for that one. It doesn't matter which one, but I will try some of them. So this is my y coordinate and this is my x coordinate, 3 and 5. So it says, like, as you see, the most, it's estimated. So we don't need to find exact. So I am just picking that one, this point. So let me go to pen. Let me use green. So this is a little closer to 9, a little closer to 1, as you see. I will pick 1 and 9. So estimated 1 and 9. So if I substitute 1 and 9, so it means if I substitute 1 for x, it's the easiest one, as you see here, to find the y. It means whenever substitute 1 for x, I am supposed to find something very close to positive 9. So if I substitute negative 1.9 times 1 minus 10.1, from here, negative 1.9 minus 10.1, I find negative, so it's going to be negative 12. It doesn't matter exactly, but I find a negative number. I am supposed to find a positive 9 or a number between 9 and 8. It should be positive, but I got a negative number. So it looks like this is not correct. So I will try one more time with using another point to make sure so I am not making a mistake. So negative 1.9x minus 10.1. That time I'm going to pick this point. So as you see, okay, it's gonna be 4 x-axis, and then the y value should be around 3. So it is my x. I substitute 4 for x here. It's gonna be negative 1.9 times 4 minus 10.1. From here, the y value I will get, I'm gonna just estimate. I will round to negative 1.9 to negative 2. It's gonna be negative 8 minus, I will round to 10.1 to 10, negative 10. So y value is gonna be a negative value again. So as you see, I find another negative value here. It should be positive, but they are not. Looks like A is impossible answer. So I will check B now with the same values. All right, let's go back. So I'm gonna check that one. I will substitute 1 for x. I am supposed to find like very close to 9 positive. So I'm gonna substitute 1 for x here. Y is equal to negative 1.9 times 1 plus 10.1. From here, I got negative 1.9 plus 10.1. So I got here, you can run that one, but I'm gonna just find exact just in case. It's gonna be 8. It's gonna be negative 8.8. So here it should be, as you see, this dot lower than, this dot is lower than, this dot is lower than 9, but I find 8.8. Oh, my bad. So this negative, this positive. It's going to be positive 8.8. So it's going to be positive 8.8. Yeah, it is very close, positive 8.8. Yep, it must be my correct answer, but I'm going to check this with another value. For that one, x is 4, y is positive 3. All right, let's check one more time. Y is equal to negative 1.9x plus 10.1. I replace here 4y, 4 for x. It's going to be y is equal to negative 1.9 times 4 plus 10.1. So from here is equal to negative 1.9, it is 6. Negative 7.6 plus 10.1. So, and it will be equal to positive 2.5. Whenever I go it here, so, and then this 4 is going here, and then all the way here, just like between 2 and 3, it is positive, and I got a positive between 2 and 3. So it's correct. So the first one is I try is correct. So my correct answer, the most appropriate linear model, it is B. Thank you.